Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 143rd edition release. And if you'd like to use my code is MOE, and you can get 10% off your total purchase. On this Friday, it will be 15% off your total purchase, or you can use any of the other designers' codes as well. Once again, mine is MOE. Okay, so today is the first day of our sneaky peeks, and we are focusing on the 3.75 by 4.75 card add-ons. And so a couple months ago or so, she released this die here, and these are the add-ons to that. And you can check all of those out. I love them, especially the little scallops. I used both of those in my projects, and then you'll see some others later on this week. And then I also used this one in my project today, as well as that background die there. And of course, I had to use the actual card base to go along with that. And so that's where I got my actual base for my card. And then I also used the Bumblebee Gnome dies, as well as the Stay Beautiful dies. And I used that from Stay Beautiful, and then the Gnome. And then I have the birdhouse Stampin' dies. I used the birdhouse, well, not the whole thing, just part of it, and the layers for this bird here, I think. And then along with the stamps, which I used a Little Birdie Told Me, as well as It's Your Special Day. And then from the strawberry flower plate dies, I'm using some of the little flowers there. Okay, and here are the cards that I created for you. I thought they turned out really cute. Let me start out with this one. So this is that plate die, the add-ons. I use this and that flower die along with that inside layer there. And then this was from a previous release, so I just popped a little bee on there. Thought it turned out really cute, and love it going along with those flowers there. And then there goes the inside of that one. Very cute. Love that black and yellow together. And then this is the other one that I use. And then you can see a lot of different layers that I put on this one. So we have the base layer there, the scallop, another scallop layer, stitching layer there. And then as you see, I got that other scallop layer, and then along with that one. Pop the bird on there. There goes that little flower. And then the die that came from the Stay Beautiful Stampin' Die set, I just used that right there. Really cute. And then there goes the inside. And so I'll have all of my Creative Time links down below, along with the Design Team Sisters, and anything else that you need as far as what I created. It'll be all linked down below. So that's all I have for you. Make sure you use my code MOE or one of the other designers to get the percentage off of your total purchases. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.